Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Gohar Afridi. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Grammarly to your Microsoft Word and Outlook. So first off, what is Grammarly? Grammarly is an app that we can connect with Microsoft Word and Outlook. This will help us to eliminate errors and find the perfect words to express ourselves in Microsoft Word and Outlook emails. To get started, let's head to the website grammarly.com. Once you land on the website, on top right hand corner there is an option, login option. Click on login. You can log in with your Facebook account or Gmail account. If you don't have any account, click on don't have any account, so it will create an account. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. Once you log in with your Google account, a black canvas on your left hand side will appear. So click on apps. Once you click on apps, there are some applications that we can connect with Grammarly. I have already downloaded the Grammarly exe file for Microsoft Word and Outlook. But if you are firstly visit, you will see there are download option for Grammarly, but in my case I will reinstall the Grammarly. It will download an exe file. It will take some time. Once it download an exe file, click on it and go through the installation process. Welcome to Grammarly. Click on get started. So here I am going to install Grammarly for my Microsoft Word and Outlook. So make sure fill the checkbox and click on install. Congratulations, you have installed Grammarly. Click on finish. Once you download and install the Grammarly app, go ahead and launch the Microsoft Word. Click on search bar, search for Word. The best match is Word 2016. Open the Word. Click on blank document. I'm going to increase the font size. So that's how Grammarly will connect to your Microsoft Word. Open Grammarly. So I'm going to type a wrong sentence. So let's see what Grammarly do. Okay, Grammarly detect errors here. Click on it and you can correct the spelling. Click on the green hell. Click on the green word to correct the sentence. So that's how you can correct your sentence and spellings, grammatical mistakes, and much more. Okay, let's move to our Outlook app. Search for Outlook. Open Outlook. create an email. I'm going to type an email. Initializing session. Okay, Grammarly will detect some error in my email. I can click on it and select the perfect word. So that's how you can correct your sentences in Microsoft Word and Outlook. If this video helps you to learn how to use Grammarly, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see me add any other video in the future, leave a comment down below and I will add it to my list of videos to create. Alright, that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you next time. Bye.